Here we have our front camera kit. So obviously, and then you get the camera itself. It's like a bullet shaped camera. You can see that in there. Has a mounting on the top there. Power, an RCA plug. So we have like a DC plug there that goes to it that you can hook into the ACC power. A cable coming through here. There is a trigger wire on each end of this cable if it is needed. RCA cable though. 2 mounting stick pads and 2 screws. So that's the front camera kit. What's in it? So connecting up the front camera into the head unit here. So in the back, obviously, you've got your wire here coming through. So you've got a purple cam in plug. So that's where your reverse camera should be plugged into. And you've got like an F cam one. So you are going to plug the RCA a cable from the front camera into here. You don't need to use this trigger wire coming off here, so you can tuck that out of the way. Obviously, you do need to give the front camera some power, so you can just hook that DC, those 2 wires, into an ACC power source. And then what you can also do in here is you can go settings. First once you've got it all set up, I should have seen. If you go into F camera, you can see that's the front camera working now. You can obviously switch it horizontally with that button. If I push it as well, it's going to take us to our reverse camera. So that's the reverse camera. But that is the front camera. So that's how you can test it's all working and showing. So that's fine. So then what you want to do actually, so I'll just also show you this. And so obviously that is sitting like that at the moment, and that's the correct way up. So if you do tip it upside down and mount it like that. So what I was trying to say just there is that this here can obviously twist on the mounting. So you just need to twist it into the position you don't need it. So you can mount it up that way or like that way, but just make sure you twist it. You can just need to twist the camera to be in the correct position. So here it's like that. You can see the box is up the right way. So that's basically that. So it's all working. It's mounted the correct way. Then on the Vhedia head, you can go into like settings. Settings, car settings, factory settings, enter in 1, 2, 6. Okay. And if you go down to like other here, you can have a switch to additional camera after reverse. So you can have this off, or you can choose to go to that front camera for a certain amount of seconds. So what that basically means is you go into reverse. A reverse camera shows, which is like this one here. Then we go out of reverse. And it's going to show the front camera for 5 seconds or whatever you set, and then it's going to go back to the screen. So obviously that's how you can get it coming up. Or the other option is you can get rid of an app you're not using down here. Drag the FCam app down here, and you can just obviously push it to get your front camera coming up. That's basically your front camera and how you set it up and get it all working.